What's the first step in designing your dream home? Welcome to Home FAQs, your go-to YouTube channel for all things home-related. Unlock a world of inspiration with expert insights on home decor, design ideas, construction, and interior design tips. Today, we embark on a journey to demystify the art of creating house floor plans, a crucial step in turning your dream home into a reality. Whether you're a first-time homeowner or a seasoned renovator, this video will guide you through the initial steps of crafting the perfect floor plan. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of design, functionality, and aesthetics. Let's begin. Understanding your needs. The first step in creating a house floor plan is understanding your needs. Before diving into architectural details, take a moment to reflect on your lifestyle, preferences, and future plans. Consider the number of family members, their ages, and any specific requirements. Are you an entertainer, a work-from-home enthusiast, or someone who values quiet spaces? Understanding these aspects will shape the foundation of your floor plan. Establishing a budget. Now that you have a clear vision of your needs, it's time to set a budget. Establishing financial parameters early on will guide your decisions and prevent unnecessary setbacks. Factor in not only construction costs but also furnishings, landscaping, and unforeseen expenses. By having a realistic budget, you can prioritize features that matter most to you and avoid compromising on the essentials. Choosing the right architect. A key player in the creation of your dream home is the architect. Choosing the right professional can make a significant difference in the outcome of your project. Look for architects with experience in residential design and a portfolio that aligns with your aesthetic preferences. Communication is crucial, so opt for someone who listens to your ideas, provides constructive feedback, and turns your vision into a feasible plan. Analyzing the site. Before putting pen to paper, it's essential to analyze the site where your home will stand. Consider factors such as the orientation of the plot, natural light exposure, and potential views. These elements will influence the layout and design of your floor plan. A thoughtful analysis of the site ensures that your home integrates seamlessly with its surroundings while maximizing energy efficiency and comfort. Designing functional spaces. Now comes the exciting part, designing functional spaces. Begin by sketching out a rough layout, keeping in mind the flow of movement, room sizes, and the overall arrangement of spaces. Pay attention to high-traffic areas and prioritize convenience. If you're unsure about the placement of rooms, consult with your architect to optimize the functionality of each space while maintaining a cohesive design. Balancing aesthetics and practicality. Achieving the perfect balance between aesthetics and practicality is a hallmark of a well-designed floor plan. Consider architectural styles that resonate with your taste, but also factor in the functionality of each space. Strive for a harmonious blend of form and function, creating a home that not only looks stunning but also caters to your daily needs. Incorporating future expansion. While designing your dream home, it's wise to think ahead. Consider potential future expansions or modifications that may be needed as your family grows or lifestyle changes. Designing with adaptability in mind ensures that your home remains relevant and accommodating for years to come. Seeking professional input. Throughout the design process, don't hesitate to seek professional input. Engage with interior designers, landscape architects, and other specialists to enhance the overall functionality and aesthetics of your home. Collaborative efforts can result in a cohesive and well-integrated design that goes beyond the boundaries of a traditional floor plan. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the initial steps in creating a house floor plan, laying the groundwork for your dream home. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Subscribe to Home FAQs for free consultations, DIY hacks, and stay ahead with the latest trends in home improvement and building. Your dream home journey begins here. Hit like, subscribe, and transform your space. Discover AI-driven content and expert advice from our AI-generated avatar.